Got a 2004 Honda Pilot. Customer complains of no brake lights. I've diagnosed it as the brake light switch. So pretty simple. I've got one nut holding it on. It's only a 12 or 14 millimeter, but I've got an adjustable wrench. So get it on there. Break the nut loose. Unplug the connector. And just spin it out. Also, the note, there's a little tab right there, that purple tab. A lot of times the plastic breaks on them and they fall apart, so if you're having an issue with your brake light staying on, check that first. If that's broken, then the plunger on the brake switch is going to remain extended, causing the brake lights to stay on. Alright, so I've got a new switch. See, the plunger is extended. Start threading it in. And what you want to do is run it down till the plunger contacts that tab. I like to go about right there and then back off, and then run your nut down. Don't have to have it too tight, just snug it down. Alright, plug your connector back in and check for brake lights. Alright, so if you're by yourself and don't have anybody to check the brakes, what you can do is, if you have a pry bar or something, it can be anything as long as it reaches the seat, you put it on the brake pedal and then move your seat forward to where it's making contact with the seat. I have a power seat, so all I have to do is move it forward so the pedal is extended, and that's going to engage the brake pedal, and we have brake lights.